when Martha and I wrote our book, The Rules to Break and Laws to Follow, one of the chapters is called Engage and Enable. And our thesis is that in the world of social media, when you can no longer control everything, okay, you can't, no matter how good your software is, you can't anticipate everything. There are things going to fall through the cracks. So you need employees who are engaged in the business themselves. That is, they're positively and proactively involved with your brand. They want you to succeed, and they kind of know, what the mission is, okay, and agree with it. And you have to have those employees enabled with the right information and analytics, the right tools, the right training, and the authority to make decisions. And if you have engaged employees and enabled employees, then problem comes in, employees glom onto it, they solve the problem. You don't need a lot of top-down direction for that kind of an organization. It's a self-organizing organization, which is probably the future of all corporate organizations.